everybody and welcome back. This is Swati Gupta, Chartered Accountant. If you're really interested in learning what is IFRS and Ind AS, what are the concepts, the differences and how their application is made on the financial statements, then yes, this video is for you. If you're really stuck where to begin from and how to become a master of IFRS and Ind AS, then yes, please watch this video till end. I'll guide you step by step how to become a master of IFRS and Ind AS. Okay, so firstly, if you are a reader, okay, then what you can do, you can simply visit mca.gov.in. Therein, a list of standards that have been published and are applicable is available over there. These are available in PDF format and are downloadable. Okay, you can download them, refer them, read throughout. These are long documents, okay, and have detailed information in them. And there is no pictures, no bifurcations, no charts. Okay, so at times it needs very high dedication to go through entire documents. It's a little lengthy process. Okay, so now if you are looking for something very simpler and less time taking, what you can do, you can download simple notes. These notes are available on the website and in our app. The link for the same is available on the description box, so please do check it out. Okay, now if you are not a type of a reader, okay, instead you want something in a video format which simplifies it for you in a very short duration. Okay, so what you can do, you can enroll in student courses, course for students. Okay, this is the manner in which I learned the entire IFRS and Ind AS. Okay, so course for students is generally you can try any CA final course, okay, because it has many illustrations, examples related to exams. Okay, but even after becoming a professional, you really need to go through those illustrations and examples in order to understand the application. Or you can try any ACCA FR exam course, okay, or SBR. Please do not sit for the exam. I'm not asking you to sit for the exam, but these are the documents that you can fetch, or these are the courses which avail some video lectures and the notes are along. Okay, so these can be of great help. Other than that, if you are looking for certification that you are want to learn as well as want to get a certification in learning IFRS in India, so that you can add it up into your resume, you can show it into your interviews and all. Okay, if this is the case, then what are the options? Now the certification is given by only two organizations, that is ACCA and ICAI. Now for India certification, ICAI provides certification, whereas for IFRS, ACCA provides certification. In both the cases, you have to go on the website and enroll for the same. Now, very trick point is here that for India certification, you have to be already a chartered accountant, a qualified chartered accountant. Okay, whereas for IFRS, there are multiple other eligibilities that you need to check accordingly. Okay, so now here the course is known as Diploma in IFRS, whereas for Ind AS it is known as certification in Ind AS. Okay, now when you enroll for Ind AS certification, they provide tuitions along within the course. Okay, and one exam is taken, and then if you pass with 50% or more marks, then you are awarded with the certificate for Ind AS. Whereas in Diploma in IFRS, here also you have to pass with 50 plus marks. Okay, but when you enroll for ACCA, no tuitions are provided within the course. Instead, you have to either self-practice and self-learn, or enter into or enroll with any other institutions for tuitions. Okay, so here Ind AS certification provides itself tuitions, whereas for IFRS, when you enroll with ACCA, there are no tuitions provided along with. Okay, these are the little information that I think when I was reading I was stuck. Okay, so I felt that this might help you. So let me know in the comment section that is this information helpful. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, In case you have any other query, comment, suggestion for us, please feel free to comment down below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to check out the description box. This is Swati Gupta, Chartered Accountant. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Be safe. Stay tuned.